So in this task, what you're going to do is create a Google slideshow and then import your pictures into the Google slideshow. So let's click on Google Slides. This is the app that you want. And then you need to log in to your Google account. So we're going to click sign in. If it comes up with an account already, click select another account and then use another account and continue. Okay, so we're going to log in to our Google account. So I'm going to log into, put in the password, and then it takes you into Google Slides. Now what you're going to do is you're going to tap on the plus in the corner and then tap New Presentation. Now give the presentation a title. Now this would be the title of the piece of work that you want to display. So I'm going to say this is my Mayans learning. Create. Here's my presentation. Now you can tap on this and delete it. Tap on this, delete, and then you can start adding your photographs. So to add a photograph, what I need to do is tap the plus in the corner, go to Image, from Photos. If it asks this message, then click OK. Then it will show the photographs, and I have a photograph that I want here. Now what I can do is I can spin this photograph round, make it a little bit smaller. It's got to fit in my slide, and then put it in the middle. You can see the guidelines there. So I can make that slightly bigger so it goes to the edges. That will be fine. Or I could just drag it to the side, like so, and then I could add a text box. Tap on Add, tap Text, and now I can add a text box. So I can say something in here. Right, and drag that in. Then I can change the font by select it all. I could change the font size by tapping on the A here, and then I can change that. I can see, and you can see it going bigger. Drag it, move it around until it's into the place that you want it. There we go. That is my first slide. If I had a second piece of work for the same project, I can add a slide by tapping in the corner and then add in a new slide. I'm going to tap a blank one, and then I can add another picture into my slide. You can build up your slideshow for this piece of work. Remember though, it is only for this piece of work. You don't put multiple pieces of work into this slideshow. Now, finally, the last thing you need to do is make sure that you log out of Google Slides. So you're going to go back to our slideshow, and then you're going to tap the lines at the top there, and at the bottom here you can see Test User, and at the end of the lesson you must make sure that you log out. Tap Manage your Google account. You can click at the bottom where it says Remove account from this device. So make sure you do that, because what you don't want is other children logging into your Google account. So we tap that, it says remove account, click on remove, and now that has been removed from the iPad. So that is what your task needs to be in this lesson. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and please subscribe to this channel for more educational technology videos. Until next time, goodbye.